I often try and shy away from hydrangea because there's so many of them and so many similarities. Of course, there are differences as well, but I thought this was worth a look at for several reasons. This is Hydrangea, arborescens, Incrediball Blush, and the Incrediball series has proven to be very popular. You can see there's some different coloring here because the stems show more turbid. They're more rigid. They hold the flower better. You know, we get to a point with Annabelles where people are looking for Annabelles and we bring them in. One good rainstorm and the plant flops. These plants have been through multiple rainstorms and flowers are standing quite nicely. The stems are pretty rigid. Doesn't mean they won't flop, because they still will. But I have a question. This is an arborescens, which is a native hydrangea. I believe Annabelle was discovered in, I think, Ohio, but I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to look it up. I'm not trying to give you false information, but when a selection is made, like Incrediball Blush, is it still a native? I think if it's a plant that is selected for its flower color, then I would believe that it's still considered to be a native, but this is my opinion, not fact. Whereas if the plant is bred for flower color, maybe you lose some of that native characteristic of the plant. But I would consider this a native. It is early July and this plant's blooming, so that's what you can expect. Probably goes between 3 and 4 feet, full sun. Will tolerate some part shade. The flowers are excellent cutting flowers, and the plant will rebloom, never as well as the first push that you get in flower. Pretty tough, durable, will endure hot, somewhat dry conditions, more so than most hydrangeas. And then next to it, you can see somewhat flopping is Incrediball, which is the white counterpart. But take a look at the size of this mop. Look at the size of that head. I mean, that is huge. So if you're looking to go native, debatable, I guess, and you want a more turgid stem, then Incrediball Blush might be the way to go. And these flowers will persist quite some time. It's supposed to be a rebloomer, but I'm not counting on that, or I'm thinking it's not going to be as good as the first bloom that you get on the plant. You can cut it back in the spring, and not a lot of maintenance here. So Hydrangea, arborescens, Incrediball Blush.